As part of your application, you are required to upload copies of your academic credentials. The University of Illinois Graduate College defines academic credentials as transcripts, mark sheets, academic records, diplomas, and certificates of degrees. Here are some tips to make sure you have uploaded everything necessary for your application. Your credentials do not need to be official for the application process. You are welcome to submit copies, scans, or pictures of your documents at this time. The credentials must state your name and the name of the institution. If the institution is in the United States and a degree has been awarded, the degree award information should be included on the credentials. If the degree was awarded outside of the United States, you will need to include the certificate of degree. If the credentials are in a language other than English, you will need to include the credentials in the native language as well as the English translation. Typically, the English translation comes from your institution. However, we will also accept any ATA certified translations. WES and ECE evaluations are not accepted. Once your application is submitted, our team will reach out to you if there are any issues or missing materials. If admitted, we will need official or original documents, so it is a good idea to start preparing those materials now.